After the FIB Symposium 2021, we now invite you to the 7th FIB Congress, set in Lisbon, Europe's westernmost and second oldest capital. Under the theme Structural Concrete 2050 towards Carbon Neutrality, AI Design and Robotic Construction, this is where the future of structural concrete takes shape. Over 4 days, world-leading experts will tackle the biggest challenges in structural engineering: conceptual design, prefabrication, 3D printing, seismic retrofitting, AI-driven applications, and much more. Coming from all corners of the world, young minds will have to put their skills to the test. Experts will share cutting-edge research. Designers will present groundbreaking projects, and industry leaders will showcase innovations at the sponsors' exhibition. And on day 5, get exclusive access to technical visits, exploring a stunning cable-stayed bridge in Lisbon or an under-construction arch bridge in Portugal. All of this unfolds in June, when Portugal is at its finest: historic charm, breathtaking coastlines, and world-class food and hospitality. We're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in structural concrete. Will you join us?